Mind detected. Okay, guys, welcome to Stack and Heap. We started this channel for supporting who likes coding and developing and that of things, and who are likes to work in an IT field. And you can like, share, and subscribe our channel. Okay, this will beneficial for those who likes to know about Arduino, Raspberry Pi, etc. Okay, today we are going to say about LCD display. Okay, we are going to discuss how LCD display is connected to the Arduino and what is its general configuration and how they are connected and how it is coded. For generally, the LCD display have generally 16 port. For 16 by 2 LCD display, we are discussing on 16 by 2 LCD display. 16 by 2 LCD display, there are about 16 ports, and the weight of it is the digital pins for encoding the data which should be displayed, and generally which has a trigger pin and VCC and ground. That is common to everything, and the VCC is 5 volt and the ground is 0, and a port is connected with the trigger pin. It is for to adjusting the resolution of the LCD display, and for starting enable pin and a read write pin and a register set pin. Pin for the LED used in the display should be on or off as per our wish. We provide a power supply and the ground for the LED. It is generally a 5 volt supply, and the ground is the another type. It is also provided with it. Here we can see the how Arduino board is connected with the LCD display. About 4 pins. 4 digital pin is connected to the digital pins of Arduino corresponding to display Arduino board, and 3 of the pins reset and the read and write and the enable is also connected to the digital pins. Then now we are going to discuss on LCD display, I2C LCD display. Here we can see a port is in I2C display. I2C panel is connected with the ordinary display. In I2C panel we can see a ground pin and a VCC pin, SDA and CL pin, and a port and a analog to digital converter and a LCD display. LED adjustment means for powering LED we are providing a jumper wire. That's all. Okay, here in I2C display, from controller to display the data is sent to a analog form. But generally we have already said I2C display means just a I2C panel is connected to the LCD display. So we generally provide so we should have to convert that digital analog data to digital for printing it in LED. So we provide a analog to digital converter for this for I2C connection. So here 4 digital pins are just serial and provided as SDA, and the 3 pins means enable, reset and read and write. They are serially connected and provided as SDL. Now we are going to see how they are connected with an Arduino board, and the LED in the LCD display is adjusted using the jumper system using jumper wire. Okay, now this is an Arduino Mega board. In Arduino Mega board, SDA and SCL boards are available. But in Arduino Uno board we use A4 and A5 for the connection of SDA and SCL. We provide the ground and VCC for the LCD panel from Arduino board. We have 5 volt and ground as provided, and we can see the corresponding is SDA is connected to the corresponding SDA, and the corresponding CL is considered the corresponding CL. Okay, now we are going to see how it is programmed. Okay, we can see how it is going to be programmed in Arduino. Now we are going to download the necessary library files for programming I2C LCD display. Okay, we are just searching I2C LCD library for Arduino. Okay, now we can see the GitHub website. Here we can go into download a zip file for the library. Okay, zip file is downloaded. We are going to extract it in another file. Okay, it is going to extract. Okay, we can see the necessary library file and some examples for reading it. Now we are going to place the extracted folder into the local disk C. We can see the program files. We can see the Arduino in that folder, files folder. Okay, we are going to place in the libraries in the Arduino folder in program files. Okay, now we are going to provide the necessary coding for the LCD display. Okay, we are going to provide the wire function, means hash include wire.h. This is provided to the I2C display, not to the general display programming. The wire.h function is not there. It is provided for here. Then we are going to provide the LCD the underscore I2C.h library. This is also specially for I2C display. For general display, LCD cluster.h is enough. Now we are going to specify the type of the LCD. What is we are going to use it. Here we are using 16 by 2 LCD. That means the matrix is 16 by 2. In that way, the matrix in the LCD is inbuilt. Okay, so LCD liquid crystal, and you can also notice that if any spelling mistake is there or any spacing mistake is there, we can get the enough output. So beware of it and be careful of it, otherwise your valuable time will be lost while detecting that error. Now we are providing the setup function. If you are intelligent, you can find a error in my coding and you can solve it. I have rectified it in up to a point. Okay, you can see. Now I am going to provide the serial printing frequency, means for the serial printing. Here I provide the frequency as 9600, that is counted in the megahertz. Then I initialize the LCD dot int. Then I provide the backlight. It is also necessary. Okay, here now the setup is finished. Now I am going to move it to the world loop. Now I am setting the cursor. LCD dot set cursor. That means the position of the cursor is providing that will affect the position of the display too. Means which position we are assigning the display. In the first matrix or second matrix, that's all. See LCD dot set cursor 0, 1. That means we are providing the position of 0, 1. Then we provide the LCD dot print. LCD dot print. We provided data to bring print is mind detected. Then we are providing a delay interval, means 100 megahertz. Now you can see what is the error I have provided. I have done. Now I just remove it by just adjusting the space between liquid and crystal. You can find it. Okay, now I have compiled. For compiling, we use compiling for identify if any error in the program. While compiling, I have find out what is the error rate. That is a liquid crystal. We can see what was there. Now we are going to upload it. I have selected the what the tool is I use, means what the controller I am using and what the board I am using. Then I provide the comments what port I have set it. Then I upload to it. Okay, now I have uploaded it to the controller. We can see the output that mind detector in the upper position. Okay, now we are going to adjust the position of the cursor. That means the LCD printed data mind detector will find in different positions of the cursor. Now I put 1, 1 Then we can see the mind digit is in the down to position, in down position. That means the position of the printed data is changed. Is it? You can find the next where we are going to the set our cursor. You can see it. Okay, the same position I have provided, that we get the same position. Okay, now we are going to provide the another function, that scroll function. Means the display data is scrolled in right to left sides as per we provide the data. LCD.scroll display means we are going to scroll the data in left direction. Then I have provided the delay function for scrolling. I have adjusted the delay because if the delay is already used, we can find the correct data. We can see the correct output. So I incremented the delay. Okay, we can see the output that mind detector is scrolled from right side to left side. We provide that the data should be scrolled from right to left, means scroll to left. That is what we have seen. Okay, now we are going to change the output, change the command, scroll in the right direction. Okay, we can see the data is scrolling from left side to right side. We have changed the command, that means display scroll display in the right side means it is from scrolling from left to right. Okay, we are going to provide the next function, that LCD dot display means here we are going to providing a blink action means disappearing and appearing in a certain intervals. That means displaying data is disappearing and appearing in a certain intervals. We should find it as just a blinking. Okay, now we can see how it is work. We are just providing the function as LCD dot display and LCD dot not display. Now we can see what is the output is. My data is just blinking. Okay, now providing a blink functions to blink the cursor means here the cursor is blinking. We put the cursor in 1x/1 means the cursor is positioned in i/1 1/1, but there the cursor is blinking there. If we provide in data 1 comma 0, then cursor is printed there. Okay, the video is going to wind up. I feel all of you liked the video. So thank you for listening. Thank you for seeing.